I'm Mohammed Nauman and I'm a postdoctoral researcher in Model Group at ISTA, and I'm working as a Esprit Fellow. The behavior of an electron by its own can be quite different than its behavior when it is surrounded by many other electrons, and this concept in condensed matter physics is called emergent phenomena. So I have been studying the emergent properties of quantum materials in very low temperature and very high magnetic fields. So I did my undergraduate and master's from Pakistan, and I did my PhD in quantum condensed matter physics from Kyungbuk National University, South Korea. So actually we have a very clear understanding of the monopoles and dipoles, like bringing two similar charges closer together or two similar poles will repel each other. We do have very clear detection technique of these monopoles and dipoles. A simple demonstration will be bringing a bar magnet near the sand, will align dipoles in the sand and confirm the presence of iron particles. But the complex angular variation of the higher order multipoles, it smears out such simple alignment possibilities, and therefore it's harder to detect them. So we propose resonant torsion magnetometry in conjunction with the electron backscatter diffraction and plasma focused ion beam. So after cutting a crystal using plasma focused ion beam lithography, it will be mounted on a cantilever. Then we will excite the cantilever electrically with the resonance frequency, and then we will detect the changes in the resonance frequency in response to an applied magnetic field, changing temperature, or changing the orientation of the crystal with respect to applied magnetic field. So we anticipate the first explicit experimental detection of the higher order multipoles. We will address the fundamental questions related to the role that higher order multipoles may play in forming new material properties such as superconductivity and quantum spin liquid states. So it's a great learning opportunity in order to expand the spectrum of my research and skills. It will have multidimensional effects. On one hand, it will be an opportunity to be trained to carry out my research activities in a managed way, like efficiently and timely. While on the other hand, it will be a source of acquiring training on different techniques and tools and connect to established researchers in the field.